So guys, our rice fufu is ready. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Okay, in today's video I want to show you guys how to make plantain and rice fufu. So this is my rice. I soaked this rice in water for 3 days. I soak it for 3 days. This is my rice, and this is my plantain. This is unripe plantain, the green plantain, not the ripe one. So I'm going to use 2 of this plantain. So now let me wash it. Use 1 instead of 2. Let's use 1 because 2 will be too much. So I will use 1 of this plantain in 1 cup of rice. 1 plantain in 1 cup of rice. So now I will peel my plantain. So guys, after peeling the plantain, I will cut it into tiny pieces. So now I will transfer my rice into my blender. So I will add water and then blend it. So guys, I'm done blending the rice and the plantain. So this is the rice. This is the rice. And this is plantain. So now it's time to turn it on fire. So this is my pot. And now I'm going to filter the rice. You see, this is the seed that did not blend well. Okay, so now I will turn it like this. Wow. I will add my plantain now. And turn it. water. And then you cover it and leave it for some time to cook very well. So let's check. So guys, our rice fufu is ready. Now I will wrap it. So guys, our rice fufu is ready. Yeah, you see, this is rice plantain fufu. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like,